What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get refund codes for Blox Fruits. So, you're looking for refund codes that you could use on Blox Fruits here. Well, getting them is really easy. So, you just need to use the power of the internet. So, what we need to do is want to open up google.com here, and you want to search for the following. It's going to be refund codes for Blox Fruits. Now, to be speaking, it's going to give you different results here. So we have like for Eurogamer, IGN, Dexterra here. And the great thing about searching this on the internet is usually it will give you the latest one that you could get. Like for example, for Dexterra here, these are codes that you could use. So they give you like 2 XP for 20 minutes or times 2 XP for 20 minutes. And you can even like reset your stats here via this specific code here. Now, like what I said before, there are going to be different codes or reset or refund codes that you can get here. Now this is from IGN, so you have the one stat refund here for the following code here. But if you also access the Blox Fruits wiki as well, as you can see, it's going to give you lists of codes that you could actually use. Now the thing with refund codes here, reset codes, usually they are going to be the one, or the developers itself are the ones that publish or releases the codes themselves, because again, they're the one that developed the game itself. Usually resources are going to be from them. So yeah, you can go and use one from here, like for kit reset, like what we saw before. We also have like sub 2 Uncle Kizaru, and also sub 2 game robot reset 1. So yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.